The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention appears to be following the lead of some 49 states by relaxing indoor mask mandates. Officials say Friday's revised guidance lifts the need for most Americans to wear face coverings inside. The change is designed to help communities live with the virus as they shift closer to their pre-pandemic ways by helping counties adjust regulations based on hospitalizations and hospital capacity, not on the number of COVID cases. Michael George is here with the latest. Michael, good morning.
Elaine, good morning. Some encouraging news here. In the last 2 weeks, COVID infections dropped 65% across the U.S. That's part of the reason the CDC is saying masks are no longer needed in much of the country. But the final say on masks is still up to state and local governments, so the rules may be different depending on where you live. In New Orleans, where Mardi Gras goers are arriving for next week's festivities, it'll still be masks on indoors, plus proof of vaccination or a recent negative COVID test at bars, restaurants, and nightclubs.
We've been to breakfast twice, dinner, and everyone asks for it with your ID. And I'm fine with that, 100%.
But in Los Angeles, where county officials eased indoor requirements, the reaction Friday from hairstylist Gabrielle Sagona was not surprising.
I'm just happy to wear lipstick again. I mean, it's really that easy. And see smiles.
A patchwork of data plotted by county shows areas with high cases and few hospital beds in red. Yellow and green indicating places where the strain on the healthcare system is lower and mask mandates can be rolled back.
What it really is a tool that allows us to objectively look at what's happening in our communities, what is the impact of this on the healthcare systems, and then therefore what should we be recommending to the public.
Colorado's data gave Governor Jared Polis the green light to ease mandates.
For the first time in 2 years, we're seeing a semblance of normality as resistance to the virus has reached over 91% of Coloradans through either prior infection or full vaccination.
But will people really take off their masks? Staff at the Good Neighbor restaurant in Los Angeles say not yet.
We did have impressions of coming in today and everybody being unmasked and it just being so open, but for the safety of ourselves and everyone else around us, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing until those numbers continue to go down a little bit.
And masks are still required on planes, buses, and trains and at the airports. The CDC is expected to review those rules next month. Jeff?
Okay, Michael, thank you.